Hello traders, welcome to today's video. It is Friday the 8th of September and this is your Bitcoin 5-minute update. Bitcoin, once again, has done what it always does, and that is retracing any move it tries to attempt. So yesterday we had that move up. We were talking yesterday on the live stream about how I still thought we would hit that 26,300 daily NPOC and the single prints that we just had above there. What did Bitcoin do? It hit the 26,300 daily NPOC and the single prints just above there. So very nice day to trade. Difficult to get into a position, but as we had the backtest of the previous day point of control yesterday, which was down here, that was enough to give us a launch up to take out these highs. We had a few hours of consolidation during Asia session, and then, as always, we dumped. So does this mean we're going to go and finally take out these lows? I don't necessarily think so. So let me go down onto the lower time frames here and we'll look at the 30-minute chart. So basically, Bitcoin this morning just being a good little doggy following the ES. So the ES had a move up, came back inside value area and got a drop. I'm not going to show that on here, but I've been explaining to everyone in the crew this morning about that because I've been trading the ES a bit more than Bitcoin recently. So with Bitcoin, okay, we have a little bit of confluence. So this is the move. If we have a look at this, we put on our session volume profile and we come down into our daily level, which is the previous day open, and into our previous day point of control after getting the move up into the NPOC that we had left behind and the single prints. Now this is a little bit clearer if we do have a look on our TPO over here, where we can see yesterday price bouncing from NPOC, getting the move up into NPOC, taking out the highs and dropping back down to the NPOC. So this is just the way that it's trading at the moment. VWAPs, points of control, liquidity, and high time frame levels. It's basically all you need to know. Yeah, the volume, the POC, the VWAPs acting as your areas of balance, your single prints, your liquidity, your gaps acting as areas of imbalance. It's just from balance to imbalance to balance to imbalance to balance to imbalance and continue. It's yeah, that's just the way that the chart is moving, and that's the way that it always does move. So what can we expect for today? I think we are looking at, I believe this can do the same thing again, to be honest. It's just this range. I think that we've just had a bit of a shakeout. We're going to hold here and find that this ends up climbing a little bit towards the end of the day. If we do come down and take out these lows, we've spoken about this before. It's not a knife catch. It's not a knife that I would want to catch. Okay, we do have these three almost equal lows down here, nice and evenly spaced apart. But if we do come and take that out, crowded trade, I think that it could start to get a little bit messy. Because it's a Friday, I do just consider this to be, we were looking for that move yesterday. We've had the retrace. We've corrected. The ES, the S&P 500, NASDAQ as well are at good technical support. Bitcoin is at good technical support, and I think we will probably just continue this range for the remainder of the day. Now, obviously, we don't know exactly what's going to happen, but we have seen occasions where this has happened before, all right? Once you've retraced the move, it doesn't tend to get that much continuation afterwards. So we have retraced the move, and therefore I'm just looking to continue the range. So the confluence that we have here, okay, low to high, golden pocket, daily level, previous day point of control. Now, if we add our VWAP onto here, we can see that this does get a bounce. I personally would be looking for short position there. And maybe we just end the day and the week at the same price that we've spent the whole week anyway. Okay, we're back inside value area. We had that little deviation outside of it. Now that we're back inside, VWAP and value area high, confluence there at the moment. Point of control, confluence with the daily. The lows that we've just put in, confluence with the value area low. And that just continues to be our range. Is there anything else that I can really talk about on this chart? Probably not. Those are the trades. Those are what I'm looking for. I can just quickly go over what it was this morning. And if we just go onto the 15-minute time frame and we're looking at this, then this was earlier on, and this was when I did my update for the crew, saying that look, I think we're probably likely to get a move down. So if I do, maybe I can open up the Discord. Should I open up the Discord? Let's open up the Discord. Where is the Discord? There is the Discord. Got it. Here we go. Here we go. So this is where we were this morning, just consolidating. I was saying locally prices at daily open would be out just above, local lows were swept. I'd like to see the 26,100 lows taken before a bounce up to range highs. Now, obviously, that never happened. We never got the bounce there. Just looking for single prints either side of the range here. So the thing is for myself, looking at that move up into the VWAP to take out the lows. And I was really hoping I'd get a short from an SFP, but it didn't happen. It just carried on like dropping and retracing the whole move. So that was that. This is stuff to do with the ES. And then I can just explain here, this is what it was that I was looking at this morning. So VWAP, okay, you had the move above on the daily open. You start to trade around that. We make high, low, lower high, lower low, coming back into VWAP, coming back into 15-minute order block. At that stage, I would have wanted this to happen and to continue the range up here. But as soon as you did start to lose that and it dropped, then that's basically invalidated at that stage. And this is now the next support down. So I keep repeating because it's not rocket science at the moment. It is just, for me, now looking to continue this range with VWAP value area high, 26K as resistance if we get a bounce up to there, and 25,600 as your support, the value area low, which is where we spent the whole week anyway, and so far the entire month. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great weekend. Cheers. Bye-bye.